Hi friends, welcome back to my unboxing of drawer number 8 today. December 8th, it's almost Christmas, you guys. It's almost like only 2 weeks left. Are you ready for Christmas? Have you done all your shopping? Have you prepared all the food? Have you prepared your family? Who is coming? Who is not? And remember to be active in the comment section, and because you never know when the next giveaway will be. We have at least 4 giveaways left. And yesterday we announced our first winner of the first giveaway, and the winner is Wonder Twist. So congratulations, and I have already contacted you, so just give me your information and I will send you a package. The rest of you can still win, so just keep on commenting and be active. So this is number 8 from Harrods, and wow, I like this. This is from SISLEY, this one. And it's Floral toning lotion, alcohol-free for dry, sensitive skin. It's actually 100 milliliters or 3 fluid ounces. That is great. So it says it's an alcohol-free, refreshing toner with natural extracts of cornflower, witch hazel, and extracts of rose to help soothe and soften skin. Stimulates and tones. Wow, love that. Even beautiful. So for Charlotte today, oh, I see what this is. This is a good one. So Charlotte, what do you have for us? It is Charlotte's Magic Cream. Instant turnaround moisturizer. It's like this. It's a total of 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. So it is actually a decent amount, so you can actually try it out. That's really great. I actually have a large one, and I like this. This is really good. So remember, giveaways coming up. This could be one of the products. Just saying. Then we have number 8 from Cult Beauty. So this is from a company called the True Botanicals. It's a Phyto-Retinol sleep serum. Package looks like this. Phyto-Retinol sleep serum is powered by peptilium, a breakthrough ingredient that is clinically proven to work 2 times faster and with more intense anti-aging benefits than synthetic retinol. I have to look that up. Powered by peptilium, primrose, and astaxanthin. Massage all over face and neck before moisturizing as part of your evening skincare routine. Wow, this is interesting. I'm definitely going to look into that. So it's a Phyto-Retinol sleep serum, and it comes in this packaging, and this is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounces. Remember from my video about skincare after 50, retinol is so important, you guys. Remember it. So this is a good one. And the last one is SpaceNK. Just wonder what they have. Ooh, wow. It's from OLAPLEX. So this is OLAPLEX number 6. Bond Smoother. Leave-in styling treatment, adds moisture, strengthens and reduces frizz for up to 72 hours. That is great. How do you like OLAPLEX? Let's say in comparison with K18, do you have any preferences? Do you prefer OLAPLEX or K18? Ah, we have K18 here. Which one? What company do you prefer? So I have actually never tried OLAPLEX, but I also always wanted to. So actually this is going to be mine, I guess, for Christmas. And I have terrible frizz, so that could be good to try out actually. Another great day with OLAPLEX, True Botanicals with the retinol. SISLEY had the lotion and the magic cream from Charlotte Tilbury. So that's great, everyone. Great products. And remember to comment below. A new giveaway will be here pretty soon. And I'll see you again tomorrow. It's that simple. Bye.